Alright, so we're going to do a urine inspection on this property here, and you can see got a real big spot right there. We've got some migration from the vacuum cleaner, of course. This is the master bedroom. There's another spot right there. You can see that real good. More. It's completely contaminated, that area right here. Here by that door. Yeah, over here another area is pretty contaminated. You can see big area, and right there by the wall. Alright, so now we're going to go out to the living room. Go ahead and shut that light off in the living room real quick for me before I get out there. So this is the master bedroom. There's another spot right there, real big urine spot. Okay, so now we're working our way out of the master bedroom into the living area, and you can see here it's on the wall and on the carpet real good on that corner first thing. It's completely saturated with a lot of migration. It's all green right there. You can see heavier spots, but right there you can see flash up right there to the left of that light there. Alright, so we're going to continue on into the living area. There's another spot right there. Another one right there. This whole area is completely green. That's all migration from the vacuum cleaner. There's some active spots there in the corner. You can see more right there on the wall. This all migration. You can see it's all green. This is glowing. There's more spots. A real big spot right there.
Right to your left.
Right there, huge. And more spots, migration. Another spot right here, real big right here. It looks like they try to clean it or something and wipe it down, but it just spread. There's more. Another contaminated area. Another contaminated area. Pretty big. There you can see the size of that. It's all over. Right there. You can see that. It's the whole living room right there. And then right there's another spot. Look, right there is more. So you got all this, all that right dead center. This whole area. I'm standing a good ways back there. Not sure how it's looking in the camera, but these are quite big here. Another spot right there, real big, going towards the wall. Alright, so now we're going into the dining area. You can see some spots there, another contamination spot in the dining area. Right there, you can see it's pretty big. And then there's another spot right there. Another one. Another big, huge spot right there. That's the other one I showed you. And then you got this one. Right there, it continues to travel into the living area. I mean the dining area. There's more right there. Looks like they try to clean it. Right there. Okay, so here's another spot right there. And then right there by the air handler. A lot of migration. There's more urine there. Okay, more urine at the front. Alright. And then right here by the washer and dryer. Shut that light off there. Okay, this is drink spill and urine all combined there. Maybe some feces. Looks like some feces there. Throw up. More urine. The closet's contaminated completely. Right there, more spots. Another spot right there, pretty heavy. Another spot right there. Looks like they try to clean that one. Right there by the door. Another spot. Yeah, just move the door over. You can see how big that is there. Probably had the door open and the dog just lifted his leg up because I seen it on the wall. So it was a male dog that was here. So just going over this room again, you can see a lot of urine, throw up, feces. Drink spills, looks like milk, chocolate milk, coffee, a lot of protein on the floor, and other urine, throw up. Alright, so that's going to conclude this inspection on Quimby. And so just going over what we got there at the back of the living room. There's heavy spots everywhere. You could see them. they're just lighting up good. Alright, so there's a UV light. It's specifically made to find the urine. I could smell it in here too, so that's why I went and got it out of the van to do an inspection. You see that's hydroforce light right there, top of the line. It's very high powered, very big. You can see it just way bigger than my hand here. It's just big. There's the case it came in right there. There's the kit. It's got the glasses and the charger.